Hello guys, Ari here, back with another video, and today I'm going to talk to you why you should not follow me around. One is because it gets annoying. Two, I know you guys are my fans, and I just don't want people around, like DJ's in here, and he's been following me all day since I've been on. And the reason why I'm talking very low is because it's 9:07 a.m. And the last tip is because sometimes it's creepy. Like, you just walk around and then you see your buddy right behind you following you. Now, I don't know, DJ, if you're watching this video, please stop following me. It's getting annoying. Like when I'm not streaming or something. Please stop. It's very annoying. And that's the reason why I'm posting this video. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you Jammers so much for watching, and goodbye little TVs.